First, let me get my waters. Oh, I wonder if that's part of this complex or outfit. Oh my goodness. All right. I am just here briefly. I just wanted to stop off and put the bevs into the refrigerator. Guess this is another place. Oh, excuse me. Look at this washcloth here. That seems like a used washcloth to me. Temperature in here is okay. I think I can just leave it. Well, they do make pretty good use of the space. I mean, this room actually feels pretty large, even though it's not. Four missed calls. Interesting. And that TV is itty bitty, man. Itty bitty. I actually can't remember how much I paid for this room. I think it might have been like $59, and then with taxes and everything, it came out to about $71. Anyway, so I need to put my stuff in the refrigerator. I don't really want to stay long. I already have plans to go to an area lake and just kind of check that out. I don't want to stay here long because I kind of don't want to go to the lake. I kind of just want to stay in this room, even though... Oh man, this thing's not even ready. Oh, I guess it is really good that I came. So I can get this thing cooled down. All right, well, anyway, I'll see you in the next one. I think the room's all right. Yeah, it'll do. It'll do.